So this is the aftermath of like snowstorm Jonas. Like, holy cow, that's a lot of snow. Anyways, so I just totally like didn't even say like hello or anything. But yeah, I'm back at school for the spring semester, even though it's winter right now, and I'm going off to go get some food. Look how high that is. It's above the tree. Oh my god. That's a lot of snow. So yeah, there's like pretty much nothing to do because like everything's closed because of the weather. Even though it's not bad today. Like yesterday was awful. It was snowing like for hours. Oh my god. Look at this mound of snow. This is crazy. And they didn't do that great of a job because this is gonna melt and then freeze and going to become ice. I'm gonna slip and fall. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah. So this has been my day today. And I'm gonna do some other stuff for later. Jeez, how am I supposed to cross? Because this is all the snow. Hi! Okay, so if you're watching this part, I have finally caught up with my vlogs. The last clip was of, where was I? I was in my dorm I was walking outside of my dorm after snowstorm Jonas. So today is January 29th, I think, or 20 or 30th, I don't know. It's almost end of January, so this will be up the first Friday of February, so February 5th. So I'm gonna do like the week prior, and then upload it the Friday of the week prior. It'll make more sense come February. So I've been like really busy and everything like that. I say that, in all my vlogs, but I've been having fun. I've been chilling, doing me. I'm going shopping. I have to, one of the reasons why I've been so busy is because I have a supervisor position now, and that takes up a lot of my time. So, I'm going shopping to find some, like, more business appropriate clothing, business casual clothing, and then I have a party I'm going to on Friday, woo! So, I am going to find something for the party as well. So I will take you on along with me. I'm trying not to make these videos too long, at maximum 10 minutes, but really anything like 5 really I think is what I'm trying to push for the week, because I have so much going on, and then editing takes a while. But, as well as that, you can always catch me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and my blog as well. And then all my stuff is, at Julie312, so it's really easy to find me. And, hit me up, ask me questions, comment down below. I love reading comments. I don't get that many, but the ones I do get, I always reply to. So thank you so much. And yeah, let's go shopping. I just got into the fitting room. This is the looks that I chose. Some basic colors, and then like a nice blue, and then the same shirt in white. And then I like this color, this purplish pink. And then I got some cardigans, so this one, and then I got this one in maroon and in black. So I wonder how this is gonna go. Haven't tried on clothes in a really long time, but well, not a really long time, but trying to figure out like what I should wear for like supervisor stuff. But like I have like a fashion sense and like a style. It's just that like I don't really ever use it. So this is gonna be fun. I can already tell. This is look number 1. So I got my maroon cardigan, black and white stripes, leggings, and boots. So, doesn't look bad. Okay, look 2. Same top, like same black and white, this one, and then just different cardigan, like don't know if it's too much having like the zigzags and the stripes, but I don't know, like it looks, to me it looks kind of nice. To sit here and study all day. Look at this. This is my biology, it's math, psychology, chemistry. And my laptop. And I have to edit, and I have to eat. So like, either Cheesecake Factory, the banana, I don't know. It's gonna be a hell of a day. Today is Thursday, and I haven't been vlogging that much since like Saturday or Sunday when I was like studying. I got a lot of studying done and still have to do. I'm still like catching up on stuff. I have a group project that I'm working on, and it's so stressful working in group projects, and oh my gosh, it's so hard to work in groups with people. So that's been also taking up a lot of my time too, and my supervisor stuff, and yeah, lots been going on. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to say one more thing. It's all my videos go up on Fridays, so this Friday I wanted to talk about something a little bit different as well. So every Friday when you see my vlogs, I also want to say, because it's Black History Month, I want to talk about, like, you know, a famous person who did something to help Black history, or someone who was great in some profound way that added to Black history. So the first person I want to talk about is Madam C.J. Walker, and I love her for a lot of reasons. She was an entrepreneur, she was a businesswoman, she was Black, and she pretty much paved the way for the Black hair industry, specifically with the, you know, innovation of hot combs. Okay, so a little bit about Madam C.J. Walker. She was an American entrepreneur, philanthropist, and also a self-made millionaire. You know, she developed beauty products and hair products specifically for Black women, and she founded her own company as well. So I think that's pretty awesome for a Black woman, and to be a millionaire, to be a philanthropist and an entrepreneur and be so innovative. That's something that I think I want. Well, that's not something I think, that's something that I want to do and want to be. So she's very inspiring for that reason. So that is a little bit of Black history in my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video next Friday. Bye. I didn't know that you'd respond, but I was